It's time to upgrade your review mirror, this time with the camera included. Now, the nice thing with this one, it has a 5-inch display, and the camera is 170 degrees for the front camera, and if you hook up the camera in the back, it's 120 degrees. So this is a good upgrade from any car, from a regular review mirror to a review mirror with camera. So let's take a look this right now.
Mirror backup camera 1080p, 5 inches touchscreen anti-glare glass with waterproof reversing camera and with built-in G sensor, loop recording and emergency locking.
So you have here the camera where you can change the angle. This will you hold it. I'll show you that when we go in the car. Micro SD card, reverse camera, and power, and on and off. Right in the side. So we get the cable, the power cable. Never modify this cable, but this is 5 volts, 12 volts to 5 volts power cable. Now the reverse camera. Now this, if you want to power it up with your computer, you can use this cable, and this is to attach the review mirror. It's pretty simple. It comes with 2 vents. So the way to do it is, actually when we go in the car, we go like this, and then we click it, and it's fine. You just click it this way, holds there, and it holds right in your review mirror. All right, so I plug it in, so that's better to show you. We're going to install the memory. Remember that the top you can install is 32 gig, so we're going to install a 16 gig in this one. And here that's the reset button. So we're going to install a 16 gig memory card. We're going to turn it on from the bottom. All right, let's go back to the main screen, home. And let's go there to the main screen. So automatic, when I install the card, automatic see they need to format, but I'm going to click cancel, and I want to show you this. We see the main screen. So I'm going to go configuration right in the side. So what I'm going to do at this point, we're going to click home. All right, we can click configuration there, but it's simple if you go home. So we click home, and we can see here we get recording file. Recording will be the main screen. Files, if it's any file in setup, I'm going to click setup. I'm going to go format, confirm, and now format the card. A screensaver, if you want, automatic goes to screensaver after 30 seconds, if that's what you chose. Automatic turn off after whatever, that's a close. You can do 1 minute. Frequency, we are in the United States. We are in the United States, we're going to leave it for 60 seconds. And you're going to say to me, but is DC power, what they have to do with this? Well, it's the street lighting, what they have to do, a flicking of street lighting. Key sound, if you got a key sound, we leave it on. Language, only English, the rest is Chinese and Korean. Day and time. License plate, if you're going to say yes, display as approved when you record the video. Format, we're already there. We can reset, and we can see the latest version. Now, to be able to configure the camera, make sure you turn off here so we can config. We click right there, and we have all the configuration. License plates that we saw before. If you want to activate it there, you put open, and you can put the license plate there. How long you want to record? You have, oh, that's it, comes on automatic because it detects movement. Let's turn it off. We can set the resolution, 720. We can set the license plate. We can set the G sensor if you want low, high, and that's only, you're going to activate this if you want, when an accident happen, it will protect automatically your files. You can set the sound if you want, no sound at close, and parking mode. When it starts in parking and somebody gets too close to the car or somebody moves the car, this thing will stop recording. So there's a lot of configurations you can you can set in this in the camera. Let's go back onto the main. Let's stop recording. See, there's no volume there. I turn the volume on. Let's go back files. And that will be it. A timestamp. Yes, we want the timestamp. We want the motion sensor. We can even set the HDR. If you want some lighting, normally I leave it the way it is. I do not change that, and it's done. So now I show you here the license plate, right? We just put whatever there. We can turn it on the mic over here. By clicking here, we can change screens. As we see, we can go from the back of the camera. That's the back camera. Half. That will be the front camera. And one more time, we got the front camera, or if you want in the back. And here, right in the side, it tells you what exactly is being activated. You can activate the motion sensor on, so you can activate and deactivate many things right from there. And right over here, if you want to take pictures, you can take pictures. You set the camera there, and you can take pictures. Or can leave that record. When we are ready, automatic starts recording. Now, when one of this is set, and you turn it on, turn your card on, this thing starts recording. All right, so what I'm going to do now in the next section, I'll show you right away how to mount this. And you see, this is still on. It has a little bit of charge, because if it's anything on the memory, it's buffer. You don't want to make sure you take your power off and the memory gets corrected. So automatic will save it right. Enough power to save and close the file. So we're going to do this. We're going to go to my car, and I'm going to show you how to mount this in the right and review mirror. And we're going to record a little bit driving during the day, so you can see the back and the front camera. So that will come up next. Now, if you have any questions or you want to get more information how to get one of these dash cam, check the link below. Thank you. All right, so the installation is pretty easy. What I did, I went through the cables. I had it right here. I have my power cable that is in the cigarette lighter, and this is my back camera. And the installation only takes a few minutes, maybe a few seconds. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna remove the man, and I show you. So we get the mirror here, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this right over here. And as you see, this is pretty big, and right there, and we plug it in, and it's done. That's it.